It's already 2 a.m. I still can't sleep. So I decided to make a vlog since I was so happy last night kasi Wednesday evening, I tweeted I was craving for Korean food. Actually, matagal na. About a week na ata talaga. Pero pinipigilan ko lang sarili ko kasi I can't find someone na will come with me and eat Korean food. So, ayun. And, wala. Lately kasi nahook ako sa K-drama fever. And then, I watched the 2 days and 1 night. It's, paano ba, reality show, ganyan. It's a funny reality show. And then, they eat a lot. So, ayun. Nag-crave ako. And then, I tweeted last Wednesday na, Wednesday night, I wanted to eat Korean barbecue. But then, hindi nga natutuloy. So, I'm just so happy na. Last night, Thursday night, yesterday, my friends, high school friends, my barkada, suddenly showed up sa labas ng office namin. And then, sinundo nila ako and they asked me kung anong gusto kong kainin. Without hesitation, sabi ko talaga Korean barbecue. Korean food. Tapos, sobrang bait nila, pinagbigyan nila. That's the first that we didn't try. Lagi naman eh. So, yun, nag-Korean food kami. We went to Seoulga. It's near Victoria Plaza compound beside Coco's. So, it's my first time there. Then, we had a very satisfying Korean dinner, can safely say. So, just want to share with you two of my closest friends. So, unlimited siya kapag nakabot ng 250 per head.
Yes.
Last night kami coffee. Magkano ang bayad per day? ano, parang pinch-pinch lang. Ayan yan, tama yan. Pag mga siguro. Sabi niya, ultimo mo. Ginagawa. No. Mas tasty siya. Charot. Charot. Kung baka tasty.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.